So what is the fastest free scientific programming language between some of the most popular, Python, Octave, and Fortran? Well, one benchmark we can check is to implement the Doolittle algorithm, which is used for LU matrix decomposition. It's not the most efficient, but it's very simple to code up in 15 lines or so. On the left here we have Python, no semicolons this time. In the middle we have Octave. Octave is a free version of Matlab, but it's way, way slower. And on the right we have Fortran 95. All the codes are very similar. Octave finishes programming first. I think Matlab has the easiest syntax of any language. Then Fortran will finish second place, and close behind that will be Python. NumPy makes Python very verbose to work with, in my opinion. Now for execution, I'm not going to average these out. There's a pretty big disparity between them. Obviously, Fortran is a compiled language, we have to compile it first. And of course, Fortran will win by quite a bit. 0.013 seconds to execute. Python in second place, 200 times slower, and Octave, when it finishes, will be even further behind that. Matlab will probably come somewhere between Python and Fortran. It's way, way faster than Octave. Now, a lot of Python and Matlab people will probably protest here, saying, hey, we have our special linear algebra libraries to handle stuff like this. First off, that's cheating. You're basically using compiled C and Fortran code inside your language. But hey, I'll entertain that. The only catch would be that I get to use the same kind of libraries in Fortran for a real apples-to-apples comparison. So here we are coding up the cheating code to make you nerds happy. Now that we can be lazy and not have to do any actual work, this becomes almost trivial. Octave, again, is the fastest and easiest language to program in, and then Fortran and Python will come close second and third behind that. Now to measure the execution, because these are going to be much faster than the previous algorithm, I'm going to average these over 10 iterations. And again, spoiler alert, there's going to be a pretty big disparity between them. So Fortran way out in front, 0.006 seconds. Octave jumps in second place, and Python gets completely obliterated, not just by Fortran, but by some free knockoff Matlab thing. Yikes. And honestly, I think Python and Octave are cheating by doing some multi-threading behind the scenes, but they're still so far in the dust it doesn't even matter. And that's why you don't mess with Fortran. Thanks for watching.